Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can turn off Vanish mode on Instagram.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open Instagram app on your device. Now, log into your Insta account. After that, tap on the chat icon. Open the conversation in which you want to turn off the Vanish mode. Tap on the username of the person. Now, toggle off the button beside the Vanish mode. Congratulations, you have just turned off Vanish mode on Instagram.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.